Today I'm sharing a delicious, crunchy, oil-free buckwheat and oat granola that's gluten-free. I love eating this with soy milk and fruit. You can have with yogurt, whatever you prefer. So the first thing that goes in is the buckwheat. I've just got raw buckwheat, 250 grams, just looking at my notes, 1 1/3 cups. And in here I've got gluten-free oats, and that's 150 grams or 1 1/2 cups. I have 40 grams of sunflower seeds, or 1/4 cup, 40 grams of pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup or 70 grams of blanched almonds. I'm just going to leave them whole. I love cinnamon, so I'm putting 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. You can do 1 teaspoon. And I've got shredded coconut. I buy frozen coconut and I've just defrosted that. And that's a loose 1/2 cup. I think that was about 70 grams. And now for the sweetener. I've done many different things. I've done maple syrup. I've done like a version of golden syrup we get here called dark syrup when I ran out of other ingredients. You could do honey. Today I'm going to do date syrup. So I've got a jar of date syrup here and I'm going to do 3 tablespoons. If you didn't have date syrup in the house, you could soak dates and then puree them in your NutriBullet Vitamix so you get the syrup. I also saw recently that someone did them with mashed banana, which I haven't tried yet. I liked this version. It was delicious. So I thought I'd share it with you. And I've got some dried fruit I'm going to add after it's all baked. Now I'm just going to mix all this together. This comes together so quick and easy. And it's not too sweet, which is good. I've also done other versions. I've done one with coconut oil and one with just maple syrup, and I'll pop the links to those up above. But now I think this is my brand new favourite. That's all mixed. So I've got a large baking tray here and I've got some paper on it. I'm just going to pour all of that. I'll just pour it all onto the paper. I've been preheating my oven at 160 degrees Celsius and I've got a fan and I'll pop the other Fahrenheit temperature above. Now I'm going to bake my granola in the oven for 30 minutes in the middle shelf. I'm just going to set the timer to 30 minutes. The granola's all baked and I've let it cool for about 45 minutes. So it's ready to add my cranberries. And these are just dried cranberries. You can add raisins, dates, or just leave them out. I love the tartness of the cranberries. And that was about 1/2 cup. I'm just tossing it. I'm going to just sneak some. Yum. I love all the different textures and the added sweetness of the coconut is really good. Delicious. Can't wait to have this for breakfast tomorrow. I'm going to store it in a jar like this. Let me know in the comments below if you give my recipe a go. So delicious, so delicious. Sometimes I just will snack on this for an afternoon snack. Yum. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.